Alright, we're going to go over the steps to upgrade from T6 to T7. First thing you want to make sure you do is back up your T6. Although the update process should not affect your T6 at all, it's always good to be safe on the safe side. So back your T6 up. Next thing is make sure that T6 is completely shut down. If you're running in a multi-user environment, make sure it's shut down on all computers. Next thing we want to do is we want to run the T6 to T7 updater. Click on that. Now, I'm doing this on one of my old laptops, so it's going to kind of go slow and drag a little bit, but for the purpose of this video, it should be fine. Now, when you get to this, there's a please see in this link here, and really what you're going to initially find there is where you're going to watch this video. So you probably have now got the video you've got up to this point. The required information is your name, your company, and the registration number that you received. Once you've entered that in there, you'll come up to here and it'll ask you where to install. Defaults to C drive T7. Now the update utility will attempt to auto detect where the C drive T6 is installed, and also where you've told to install T7. Once we get to this screen, you'll notice that it's got checked Start Importer. Do not uncheck that. You want to click Finish, because if you uncheck that Start Importer, it will not start the importer, and it's the only way you're going to get into it. There is no other way to get into the through the import utility. Once the import utility starts, this is all you're going to have, is you're going to have this little menu screen here with Start Import. The first thing it's going to do is it's going to copy the needed files from your T6 over into a temporary folder that it's going to use. And then it's going to import the data from that into another one. This way it's not physically touching your T6 data. Once it's got to this point, it basically has copied the files that it needed from your T6 into a temporary folder, and is now ready to access the data in those files that it copied and import that into your T7. Now, if you're using this update utility and you don't run this, and you go to try to, you don't let it do the import, you try to do, you run T7, it's going to error out on you, and you're not going to be able to use it. So it's important, if you're doing the update utility, that you go ahead and run this import utility. It's going through right now, and it's importing the data into T7. Once it's got to here, it's going to tell you it's complete. You can now use T7. You click OK, and the importer is going to shut down. can now remove this because you don't want to run it again. Go to run it again, you're going to need to totally delete everything T7 on your computer. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a mess. So now we got T7, and it has everything that we had in T6. Yeah. Now we're up into T7 Pro. If we do the apparel and we get our records from that, we're going to be exactly where we left off in T6. All of our customers should be there. All of our matrices should be there. Catalogs, everything should be there. So you should be able to move on from this point to T7.